She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, or is the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks for joining me again for another quick and easy recipe. Happy St. Patty's Day to you guys out there. Today I hope to bring you some luck of the Irish. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick little snack that you can make that are so festive just in time for St. Patty's Day. I'm going to go ahead and make some basic chocolate covered pretzels. So in this case we're going to use the pretzel rods, and we're going to use some white chocolate, and then just some festive St. Patty's Day sprinkles. So hopefully you guys are ready for the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. It is St. Patty's. Share that luck around. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of each and every time a brand new video drops. So let's go ahead and get this party started. Alright y'all, so this is a quick and easy recipe for a delicious chocolate covered pretzel. Of course, there are so many options to these chocolate covered pretzels: white chocolate, dark chocolate, chocolate with sprinkles, chocolate with nuts. Whatever you want to do with these chocolate covered pretzels, be my guest. They are definitely going to stun your crowd no matter what you put on these. They are delicious. They're definitely something you should give a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.